on how to fix it. So let me get my camera, but I'm not gonna be needing much of camera here, so I'm gonna lose this guy out, held here with a gripping plier, and lose this one out before soldering it, before brazing it. Now let's take a look at under and see the level of the damage. Okay, so here it bent the pipe a lot, and we need to straighten this pipe a little bit down. We need to shift this from this fan to avoid more damage, because if this fan touch this, it's gonna cut this pipe open and there's gonna be more problem after fix. So we need to address the aftermath of solving the problem. So now I'm gonna be going ahead to, you can see a whole lot of oil splash right there. So we need to lose this one up. When I lose this one up, then I'm gonna try to straight it. So, and okay, now alternatively, to solve this problem, that's the hard way. None of them is actually the easy way. You need to lose it out from that place there and replace the entire pipe, this very pipe here, from all the way from back here, from the expansion valve down to this guy right here. So you got to replace, and this problem should be solved. All right, but suppose you want to do some magic trick right here. This one right now is going to become a thorn in my flesh, because where would I even use a gripping plier to hold on to if I'm trying to lose it up? That's another thing. So except if I have to cut some part out like this, because it has a whole lot of thread down here, so I can chop off this place, let the gripping plier hold here, and let me see if I'm gonna make any way around this without having to replace the entire pipe. What about this sensor? It's still working though, but the clip that's house is supposed to be holding it in place to avoid some sort of intermittent foul play is damaged. At the process of that very guide right there, so you can see this, the circuitry is dripping wet with oil. Now you need to find something and close that thing up to avoid attracting moisture into the system, to not to cause more damage or for you to replace the desiccant after the process. So guys, I'm gonna be leaving it here. So these are my own way to resolve this kind of problem. So if you have any other better alternative, then go ahead and switch to it. Catch you later.